we're gonna make a very easy little frog craft.
There, do you want to say it? Okay, go.
No.
Hello. Today we are making a very simple, easy little frog craft. It's actually for this week's classroom activities that we're sending out, but I'm making it here as well. So for this, you will need 1 or 2 pieces of paper. I did not have any green paper, so we're just using white printer paper. You'll need a couple of elastics. You will need some paper cups or solo cups. My oldest daughter and I have a bit of an addiction to iced coffee, so we have some iced coffee cups. Because we are making frogs, I have a red, that is not red. Because we are making frogs, I have a green marker. You can certainly use crayon or pencil or whatever you have handy.
We're gonna need some blue line.
Okay. You are going to make a frog that you're going to be gluing to the side of this cup. So it doesn't need to be massive, it needs to fit on the side of one of these cups. Do frogs have nostrils?
I don't think so.
Okay.
I don't even know if they have noses.
I don't know anything about frogs.
I just know they have tongues to go.
Okay.
Gotta draw a little fly in his tongue.
So you've done your frog. What you're going to do next is you're going to take one of your cups. You should have 2 each. You're going to take one of your cups. And you are going to cut small, oh, there we go. A small slit. It's not very small. Try and make sure they are about the same length. So this one's about 2 centimeters, maybe. Oh, there we go. There you go. After you have cut your slits, you need an elastic. So our 2 elastics are not actually the same length, which is going to be helpful for our experiment.
Oh, this went way too high.
We're going to slide your elastic in the slot on the first side, give it a twist, and put it in the slot on the other side. And then mine is quite loose. I don't know if that's going to affect my frog's performance or not, but I will even out the sides. There we go. Now you are going to glue your frog onto your cup.
Or tape.
Or tape it in our case. Oh yes, this is the nicest frog you've ever seen. If the elastics are coming off, you have a couple options. You can either, this plastic, wasn't sure how well it would do if I bent it and stapled it, but you could bend it over and staple it. If it was a paper cup, I might say that. But because these are fairly firm plastic, I'm going to tape the elastic in place so that it doesn't come off. There. We just don't want it to come off while we're doing our experiment. We have 2 beautiful frogs ready to jump. This is where your second cup comes into play. Take your first cup, put it over your second one, and you'll feel right away there's tension, right? So push it down and let it go. Oh! Okay, we're going to move to somewhere that has a little more space, and we are going to compare how well they jump. We came outside, but we have a little more room, so we had to modify Georgia's frog because her elastic kept breaking. So we are actually trying it with fabric elastic, and we'll see if that works. Ready? So, on your mark, get set, go! Ah. Ready? So that kind of elastic doesn't seem to work very well. So what you can try to do at home is you can make a couple of them, see how high you can get them to go, see if different materials work better. As we now know, regular elastic works better than a fabric elastic. Have contests, see whose frog will go the farthest. See whether or not you can launch them down the hall. Anyhow, try some different things and I record what you observe. Which one goes higher, which one goes farther, different materials, what works best. And mostly try to have fun with it. See ya! As you can see, I remade a second one and I found another elastic. Now, this elastic is a lot shorter than the first one, so I didn't cross it. Because I couldn't have put it in the cup, to be honest, if I had crossed it. It has a lot of tension on it. This one has very little when it's just sitting there. So let's see what happens, shall we? As you can see, there is a shelf right there. So let's see if the frogs can hit the shelf. I'm going to pull down until they hit the F in cafe. So they both start from the same spot. All right, let's see. Definitely definitely hit the shelf. All right, let's try the other guy. See if I can get it to go that far. You ready? It doesn't hit the shelf though. That's interesting. I would have thought it would.
You took it off my cup.
Oh!
You broke it. Seriously, these elastics aren't liking us today.
I broke the cup. I mean, I broke the elastic.
I know.
That's all I have. I have no more in the house. I can't do any more. Anyhow, enjoy. Have fun with it.